Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Excel and signing in so your files sync. Tap a template or blank workbook and place the cursor in a cell to start typing. This is faster than pre-formatting. Once done, make sure files permissions and cloud storage are enabled so autosave works. Use the ribbon tabs at the top to reveal tools and long press a cell to see copy, paste, and formatting options. This gets you editing immediately without extra setup. You'll construct the sheet by entering headers, then use autofill to repeat patterns and save time. Tap formulas to insert SUM, average, or a custom formula. Press the FX bar to edit. Once formulas are set, format numbers and use Format Painter to copy styles quickly. To create a chart, select Data and choose Insert Chart, then pinch or drag to resize. If you have an external keyboard, use shortcuts for navigation and copying to speed through repetitive tasks. You finish by checking autosave and sharing the workbook from the Share menu. Pick Edit or View permissions before sending. Export as XLSX or PDF if recipients aren't using Excel on iPad, and preview page layout to ensure proper printing. If something goes wrong, like Cloud Sync not updating, sign out and back into OneDrive, toggle files permission, or force a manual upload. That usually resolves conflicts. Finally, open version history to restore earlier copies if edits need rolling back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.